What is eating your roof in Whitstable? Roof cleaning in Whitstable by Purple Rhino. Call 0800 157 7484 to book in your free survey today. All of this moss is eating away the surface of your roof tiles. When removed, your roof will last longer in Whitstable. Cleaning your roof will give you instant curb appeal. Increase the value of your home by having your roof cleaned. Whitstable properties sell faster too when the roof is clean. Roof cleaners in Whitstable, Purple Rhino, have dedicated territory managers waiting to take your call right now. On 0800 157 7484 or 01233 550 100, you can easily book in your home visit today. Roof Cleaning Whitstable by purple-rhino.co.uk. Thank you.